Breaking news. The tornado has been gone. Repeating, the tornado has been finally gone. You may exit your shelter. Tom, are you there?
Yes, there are a bunch of homes destroyed. We'll repair all the massive damage that has been caused by the tornado. Bye-bye. Have a nice day.
Yeah, I think the couple homes were destroyed.
Well, man, I'll catch you next time. Have a good night.
Sounds good. Have a great night.
Anyways, the tornado has finally gone. You now may exit your shelters until your homes are repaired.